Hi, it's Larry Gillis again, and I'm recording this for administrative law for University of Maryland University College, and this relates to week 2 of our course. And I just want to do a quick review for you. We're doing the chapter 5 in the textbook, which deals with delegation, and Appendix B, which deals with the Administrative Procedure Act. Both these concepts are important to you. Congress has the authority to pass laws, and courts say, I've been very clear on that, that Congress makes laws. Administrative agencies cannot. And they also recognize the profound reality that there are only 400 members, 435 members of Congress, and that it is impossible for Congress to run the whole United States of America. So yes, Congress can hand off pieces of its authority, but the courts need an articulated, discernible standard by which to judge administrative actions. Otherwise, Congress is just walking away from home plate and not even going to swing at the ball. So that's the whole idea behind delegation. You can give it away, but there've got to be those standards have got to be there, and that's one of the big focuses of this week. And there's a variety of cases in the text for you to look at. Just be sensitive to that. Anytime you're stuck with a regulation that you really don't want to be stuck with, challenge on delegation ground. Just that's your opening salvo, first shot across the bow. The other thing we're looking at this week is the Administrative Procedure Act. That's reviewed in detail in Appendix B. There is a nice tutorial in the bibliography that you can look at. The modules this week deal with Chapter 2, deals with Module 2 deals with agency rulemaking procedures. Sounds like administrative to procedure to me. And the APA, if you remember, the APA came in after World War II, very late in the game, trying to solve a lot of the constitutional concerns that courts had, and also these agencies were all making it up on their own, and it was like herding cats. You couldn't tell what any one individual agency was going to be doing. So the APA was enacted and really brought a lot of order out of chaos. The conferences this week, let's see, deal with what constitutes an intelligible or discernible standard. Good luck. The English language is a marvelous thing. It's like Plastic Man. The English language, our thoughts and our words mean exactly what we intend them to mean. Nothing more, nothing less. And it's in the eye of the beholder. So good luck on coming up with an appreciation of intelligible or discernible standards. The argument can be made that this is a very elaborate game, and there are none, but the courts actually believe that it can be done. And it can if you pay attention, a lot of attention. Okay, then I ask you to see about improving the Administrative Procedures Act. An unfair question, because brilliant people have tried to do that, tried to do it all the time. There is a good article in the reserved readings on be careful what you wish for. And it's an exercise in the law of unintended consequences. We review the concepts, skills, or issues. I solicit your questions, if any, and I give you a review of the readings. So there it is, the whole week in a nutshell. My Jove, that was fun.